First look and hands-on of iPhone 14 Spigen rugged armor case. If you're interested in buying this case, you can check the link in the description below. The Spigen rugged armor case design offers a perfect balance between thin and light design and solid protection. It uses air cushion technology and a spider web pattern on the inside to keep the phone from being damaged after falls of a few feet. The case also covers the phone's buttons with protective outer buttons, and it uses a raised lip around the display to keep it from getting scratched. For most people, the rugged armor is a safe choice that won't disappoint. It's not the flashiest or the most protective, but you won't find a better value. Plus, the rugged armor case is offered for most major smartphones. Rugged armor cases from Spigen are known for their ability to protect your iPhone 14 in different conditions. This matte black case has resilient shock absorption and carbon fiber design. Spider web pattern is one of the unique features of this case, which also has flexible TPU. Moreover, raised lips of the case protect your phone's touchscreen. Spigen has used its air cushion technology in this rugged armor case as well. This protects the device against shocks. Compatible with wireless charging, the case keeps your iPhone 14 slim. The timeless look of this case never goes out of fashion. Spigen's rugged armor case is both protective and long-lasting despite its surprisingly low price. The flexible TPU material is easy to install and great at absorbing shocks and bumps. The raised bezels around the screen and camera protect these fragile areas, and the grooved sides improve grip.